Hey there, watch as I create a really cute fall decor pumpkin using splatter screens from the Dollar Tree. I did glue them together with a little dab of hot glue at the spots that they touched on, and then I did reinforce it with some floral wire all on those rings, just pushing it through the screen to make sure that it stays together and really secure. Once I had all of that done, I took these 1/2-inch flat-backed wooden beads that I got on Amazon. You can find those on my link tree, and I simply hot glued them all the way around the edging of the splatter covers. Once I had them all down, I took some paint from Paint Pixie and I used their undercover primer. It's a bright white, and I gave it 2 coats over the entire pumpkin part, the screens and the beads, making sure I got in between those beads really well. When you're painting screens, sometimes you get paint stuck in a thicker spot than normal, but that's okay. It just gives it that rusty look that I was going for. I then went over it with some gray Paint Pixie paint. You can also find Paint Pixie in my link tree. And after drying that really well, I went ahead and took some jute twine and hot glued it all around the stem, or the handle, I should say, of the center splatter screen. This will be our stem for our pumpkin. The other 2 splatter screens were the kind with the knob in the middle, and I just simply unscrewed that, and you can't even tell where the hole was. I took some coarse sanding block and roughed up those wooden beads a little bit, and then creating a messy bow using different strips of natural type fabric and lace. And I simply used a pipe cleaner to secure that all together, and then attach that to the top of the handle. I fluffed it up a bit. I did dovetail those ends of the ribbon, and then I added my signature sparkle, of course, using my favorite, the Totally Dazzled vintage brooch in the silver tone. I fluffed it up, and who would know that this was a splatter screen? I think it's really fun, really pretty, and has that shabby farmhouse glam vibe that is super popular right now. I hope you guys get creative and make your own.